right. Oh, this is going to be good. If you're brand new to lifting at 30 plus, this is probably enough. You don't need to destroy yourself. Most beginners quit because they start like they're training for a movie montage. Try this for the first month. 2 to 3 days per week. All right. Yep. 2 days a week is the minimum for the guidelines for health. 4 to 5 movements per workout. This depends on what type of movements you're doing. If you're only doing isolation exercises like leg extensions or leg curls or bicep curls, for example, that won't do because you're only hitting a very small amount of muscles. You want to be doing compound exercises, which that's basically when multiple muscle groups are worked at once. So instead of just doing a bicep curl, you would want to do something like a row or a pull down where you are using not just your biceps, but also your back muscles at the same time. But long story short, 4 to 5 movements per workout is okay if they are compound exercises for the most part. Stop 1 to 2 reps before failure. This would be good. You could probably go even less closer to failure if you're just starting out. So 3 to 4 reps to failure. Maybe even less. Like, I'm more concerned about people just getting in the gym and doing some repetitions with given movements regardless. And adding a tiny bit of weight each week. Yep, if you add a tiny bit of weight each week, that'll increase the progressive overload, which will give you over time more weight. So for the most part, yeah, this is okay. I guess the one thing it doesn't show what exercises you should be doing. That's kind of my one caveat for this. But as like a general starting point, this is pretty okay, and you can probably do something like this.